Show. Kate, what are you making today?
I'll show you.
You show me? Okay.
Make a blue star.
Making blue stars?
Made out of some blue crayon. That's candy crayon.
Candy crayon? Oh,
yeah. But
wow.
you can't even eat it because it's real Play-Doh. Oh. That's yucky.
Yeah. But you can pretend to eat it.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever even made that before? Or is this his first time?
The first time.
Mm-hmm. What else are you making? Are you going to cut it with the wavy wheel?
Mm-mm. I'm just making it like this, like an ice cream.
Oh, like ice cream. Oh, on a blue dish. Wow. Gosh, you make really nice ice creams.
Even I'll put this on. Whoa, where's the eye? Oh, goodness.
I'm making the eye. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, I don't need this. It's just gonna be like a heart. A real one.
Okay.
Make another one. I'll make something else.
Mm-hmm.
Look, these are the same.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get this out. There we go. I'm trying to put this somewhere else. Where's that plate? Ah, there's light blue. I'm gonna pick a different color. I made some licorice and some pink stuff, which is a pink heart. But I'm gonna make something else instead.
Don't hurt your teeth.
That's fine.
Don't hurt your teeth. Oh, no ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am.
Go help.
Yeah.
I'll try it on here.
Oh, no, you can pull it out with your finger.
Yeah, or then it will be all worse.
Oh, so you pulled it out perfect?
Yeah, just like this.
You like?
Now, where's that little roller? Oh, there it is. To find that blue one, because that's how I make a heart. Ah, this is the blue one. See? I'll show you, it's a heart. First I gotta get all the red Play-Doh out. And clean it all up.
Okay, use your orange knife.
I know. Where's the orange knife? Which one?
I don't know.
I think this one, I guess.
Okay.
Hey Mom, look, it's a heart.
Oh, I see it. I like that.
That pink. Oh, there it is. Next time we make some licorice with the star, because that's how licorice comes out. I know what to do.
Oh.
Because then it's going to blast out like a volcano.
Whoa.
And then I just use this to pull it out. Then I'll get all the strings for shapes.
You made a heart?
On this side.
Awesome.
Whoa, look at it. Look at the heart. Doesn't it look pretty?
Yeah, it's pretty
Kind
pink.
of like a triangle on this line.
It is like a triangle.
I made heart, which is pink. Hearts are red and even pink.
Yeah, they can have pink hearts.
Licorice.
Okay. Oh, no.
I just shaped it out.
You did?
Mm-hmm. Squishy. When I squish, look, it's squishy.
Oh, it is squishy.
How about I'm done? Time to roll up. Let's start one. I'll go look for it. My sweet orange one. Ah, there it is. Get the glue off. Fine. Stars on they turn and then they're black and then they're licorice.
Oh.
Did you buy me on some 10 licorice for my birthday?
Let me show you something.